Alright guys, so you know that $20 microphone that I have right now? Well, I've just been waiting for this new microphone. It's called an SM7B. I'm sure you heard of me saying that in one of my videos before. So here it is. Here's the box. Where? Let's open it real quick. Hi, open. Oh, okay. Oh, it's lighter than I thought. Well, it's way heavier than my other one, but wow. Shure SM7B with an H for some reason. The Shure with an H. Alright, here we go. Oh, even more stuff. Okay. And the part that you've probably been waiting for forever. If I can get it out. The microphone. It's so heavy. Alright, let's open it. Let's open this. It's so cold actually. It's freezing to death. Alright, let's open it. Alright, here it comes. This is the microphone that you're gonna be seeing me use probably forever. It's so cold. You feel how cold this is. This is insane. Oh wow. Alright, I'll just place this down right here. Ah! Oh my gosh, that is freezing. Oh my gosh. Oh. It still has that cover on it that's built in. Wow. That's awesome. Oh, this is second cover. This is the real cover for it. Well, I just leave it like this.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, it's so cold. It's like 10 degrees. Oh, all right. We're gonna video us setting it up too, right? Right, cameraman?
Maybe.
All right, let's do it. Oh my gosh, it's so cold. I need gloves for this. Wow, Shure SM7B's finally arrived. Bye.